Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This utility sinks made of stainless steel, and we can take a look at the overall sizes first. This unit is about like 36 inches in the length, and the overall height is about like 43 inches in total. For the depth of the units will be 19 and 3/4. This unit's edge to the bottoms will be 36 inches in total. So we can see the units that come with 3 compartments and 4 legs, and we can take closer to see the inner side dimensions. For the sinks, we can see they come with accessories from the manufacturer. They have 3 of those for each of the compartments. And for the dimensions, they will be about like 14 inches in the length and about like 10 inches for the width and 10 inches for the depth. And the 2 holes between from centers diameters about like 8 and the 1/4 inches. That will be the all information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.